it's BBG on 26 is back at it again with another video. Today we're gonna be installing one of my favorite mods on my old truck, which is the little tailgate strip on the Tahoe. I did this on my old truck and it was fairly easy to do, and I wish I would have did it first, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and just knock it out on the truck, because it's real simple, real easy, and it's plug and play. And yeah, you really don't have to do any wiring or nothing like that, and I'm gonna show you how. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the way to 500 subs, so let's keep pushing. And yeah, I'm gonna flip the camera and let's get right into it. All right, so in here is the LED strip. I'm not really worried about that. I'm gonna get to that, but I want to talk about this harness. This is offered by Op7, and then basically it's a 7-pin to 4-pin like adapter harness, because I believe in here this LED strip is a 4-pin, and usually what people do is wire it and all that. I'm not doing all that. This makes it plug and play and very simple and easy to do. And yeah, so what we gonna start by doing is I'm gonna clean this area, because this is where the strip's gonna be, and then we're gonna wire it over on that side over there. So I'm gonna set up my tripod, and we're just gonna go ahead and start by cleaning this off, and then I'm gonna get underneath the truck and do my best to show y'all what I'm doing, because it's kind of hard because it's not much space, but I'm gonna do the best I can. The reason we're cleaning this off though is so everything can adhere right, because all this holding this on is double-sided tape, so gotta get it set up here right. All right, y'all, so we cleaned it off, and yeah, so this is the harness. This is the LED strip right here, and basically I'm gonna line it up from here.
Brother, what's that?
I'm gonna line it up from here, and then I'm gonna go all across this little alleyway and drop the wires back in this corner here. And I'm gonna show you how to wire it underneath. I'm gonna do the best I can to record, but like I said, it's kind of hard with this because you gotta measure and make sure, you know, get it all straight and all that. So I'm gonna pick up the camera right after this. All right, y'all, so here's the finished product. We got it up here and out the way. I was gonna record how to do this, but I ended up getting my friend to help me lay this out, just to make sure we didn't have no air bubbles or pockets, and make sure it looks good. So the next thing we're gonna do is install the 4-pin, the 7-pin harness, and then I got some zip ties from AutoZone. They're like $5 for this big pack, so we can tuck the wires up on the tailgate. And I'm gonna get up here and I'm gonna wire everything and make sure everything worked first. Then I'm gonna record, like get under here and record basically what I did and everything and how everything lines up, because it'll be simpler that way. And yeah, but this is one of my favorite mods, because during the day and at nighttime is really nice, because it has the turn signals and all that. And one thing I'm gonna say up here, depending on truck, you may not need it, but there's a red wire right here. Make sure you tape this up on your harness, or on your harness. I forgot what this runs to or what it usually goes to, but you don't need it if you got this harness. I believe it's for the turn signals, but you don't need it. But anyways, I could be wrong, but I taped it on my last truck. So anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping, get to work, and then we're gonna pick up the camera when we're done. All right, y'all, so here we go. As y'all can see, we got it on. Yes, sir. That's clean. So basically what you do is you take out your factory plug little harness, and you plug it to female or this male side or whatever, and then you plug the new harness plug back into the original trailer harness plug right here, and everything works. It's just plug and play. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use the zip tie, tidy this all up, and then later on today, I'm gonna get a video of how it looks at night and everything. And that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoy. It's real simple but really nice mod.